Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome to this episode of SketchUp for 3D Design. We're going to continue our 3D cabin, and this time we're going to create the fireplace. And so I'm going to start just by creating a hearth with a brick pattern on top of it, with kind of a wall on the back side of that. Oh, I don't want it to hide that. So, well, I thought it was going to be as easy as pulling that up, but I don't think it's a separate. Oh, okay, so that's why. So I need to make the hearth an actual separate shape, which should be as simple as this, I think. So this is just for those of you curious. How should I have done it, Mr. Johns? Well, I think like this. I think. This is what I'm thinking. So if I go over, make sure everything's the right colors. It's not going to line up yet. Let's go down. You go down until it disappears and then click. That usually means it's on the ground. That one is missing a line. Nice. And then down, blue. Then that will connect to that, I hope. And then that will connect to that. Okay, so that's cool. Do I need to paint it? No. Will I? Of course I will. Paint bucket. So because I know it's not painted, even though it's hidden later, I will know. There is a little piece of wall right there that I don't really know what to do with. Let me think that through. I have a feeling I don't need that because I think the wall, this other thing is going to come up instead. I'm going to delete, double click, delete that entirely, I think. That'll just for now be a gap. Now I think that this, if I click it, it's all blue dots. I think it'll be as simple as pulling that up. And that's like brickwork. You know, if the bricklayers would come in, oh, it's still going to do those lines. The reason I did all of that was to get rid of those lines. You know, the struggle is real, but I will persevere. I think it's because it's still not perfect right there. That's part of my issue. Um, you just have to problem solve. And this is, by the way, this is Saturday afternoon. I could be doing anything right now, including playing video games, recording Hot Wheels races, watching movies, going to a movie, going for a drive. This is what I choose to do with my time. So yeah, this is my free time right here. So yep, just what I like to do, you know? It's okay. It took me a while to figure out this is really how I enjoy spending my time. Let's go ahead and get rid of these two. I'm going to make this work. That's bottom line. That one worked great. That one worked great. This one not so much. That's weird. There's some weirdness going on there. That one looks like it's even off like by a few inches, and that might be part of the problem. Okay. Um, okay, we'll figure this out though. That's the thing. What I need, and what's that? That is the back wall. It's a little sometimes a little hard to figure out what exactly you're looking at, right? So, and all you have to do is draw the right lines. So here's what I'm looking at, which is weird. And what I need is walls. So where do I start? It's sometimes a little intimidating, I'll admit, even for me. Like, where do I start with a line? Hoy. So, do I have a line there? Yes, but I need a wall like that side. And there should be, okay, let's just start drawing lines. Come on, stop looking around. So red, just go to the back. Go all the way to the back? Sure, why not? Red. I mean, theoretically, I could pull that down, I think. Nope, can't. It's connected to that. Yeah. So, well, that was my, hey, here's how Mr. Johns would do it update, which I'm still dealing with. I'll show you when I'm done. Little update on the fireplace. I went back to the larger river rocks. Not perfect, but it's about the same size as what I see there. Also, got some black lines that I can't quite get rid of. I think I can pull this out just a little bit to maybe fix that. Let me try that. Just a tick. Just a tick. There we go. See that? So my black lines on the inside were even with the outside of the fireplace, which was visible. The top, I really like what I did here. I just used the offset tool to make identical smaller rectangles, and then this one I did it again, but then squished it in to make it more of a square, painted it black on the bottom to make it look like it went all the way down. It doesn't. And then kind of a gray on the sides, which I maybe could do rocks, but honestly, you wouldn't waste rocks on the inside of a fireplace. This would be lined with something, so I think that's good. And then I painted the tops of these things, because these wouldn't be stone either. These would be like a slab of stone of some sort, and then I just painted the edges to match kind of the color of the yellowish rocks. I think the overall look is pretty good. Now let me show you the inside of the fireplace. Here we go. Let me go. There we go. So I've got the mantelpiece. Yeah, so I completely redid this. Of course I did. Until I was happy with it. Don't look up the fireplace. Please don't look up the fireplace. Don't do it. Okay, well, there's nothing up there. It's all fake. So it looks like maybe it's a hole, but it's cleaned up. I made it look better. And then I downloaded this and this. So I've got the fireplace tools sitting off to the side and the log sitting on the log carrier there. Super happy with that. If you just take a little bit of time, that fireplace could be the highlight of this cabin. Absolutely. It wasn't difficult. It is I'm looking at the cabin now going, wow, that's small. Like one little couch maybe in front of the fireplace and maybe in the corner a plant or something, but there is not much going on. This is a small cabin. This is the kitchen. I was thinking, hey, big screen TV right here and put the couch here to play games and watch movies. Well, it's my house, my cabin. I could, but this is where the kitchen is. So I've got to have a kitchen. So the big screen TV, probably if there was one, would go on the mantle above the fireplace. Oh, I should make a mantle. Okay, no, stop here. So there is the update on how to make a fireplace, at least the way I did it. And you can maybe use some of those steps to make your fireplace look cool. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of different ideas, different fireplace designs, of course. You could embed an aquarium in it. You could do a waterfall down the front of it. You can do some cool stuff. It's 3D. You can do whatever you want. But for this, I think a cabin, I'm going to keep it simple and love the looks of it. So there you have it.